Pouring some coals for the coal pot. I'm gonna do some burgers different tonight. Just for you guys. There it is, going in with some fluid. About to light it up. Get it nice and ashy and gray color. It's 40 degrees out here tonight, guys, so we're making this video just for y'all. Feet in the flame. Nice, man. Okay, get ready there. So what are we doing? What's on the menu tonight, man? Why do we like this?
We're gonna make a homemade chicken burger, man.
Homemade chicken burgers on this?
Yeah, man. I bought the chicken thighs.
Mm-hmm.
And we
Grind it
up.
Yeah.
Grind it up. Season it inside. So just like that. And we're gonna do the chicken burger on this coal pot.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting to see.
With our
Tawa?
famous dal puri tawa.
Oh my god.
Bam.
What? Okay. Well, that's gonna be different. Turning up the heat. Nice. The ground chicken right here, guys. We're straight from the halal store. We just seasoned it ourselves. It's all good to go to make it the patties. Cutting up the condiments for the chicken burgers tonight. Going in with some nice tomatoes.
Yeah, man.
Lettuce. Veganese. I love veganese in my burgers. Pineapple. Nice, man. It's gonna be a nice, short, sweet video for you guys. That'll fit perfect in our burger right there. Cutting it in half. This is the bread I'm gonna eat my burger with tonight, guys. It's a special bread. I've never had this one before. It's a wide slice, gluten-free. Check it out. Should be really good. Because the pineapples are kind of thick when I cut these in half. That's more like it. Simple stuff, man. Simple tonight. No curry tonight. No chunking, passing this and that. Just cutting our veggies and making one burger tonight. Taking a little break, you know? Yeah, I love onions in my burger. Going in with some green seasoning there. It's already seasoned, but we're going in with a little bit more.
A little extra, you know?
A little extra, it doesn't hurt. A little extra green seasoning doesn't ever hurt. Wow, there we go. Look at this ground meat, man. Straight from the halal store.
Some homemade burgers, brother.
Homemade burgers, man.
And when you're doing the burgers, always do the chicken thighs. You know why?
That are soft?
No.
Why?
The chicken thigh have a little fat, so it helps cook the meat nice, you know?
Yeah.
Give it a nice texture, you know? The breast will be a little too dry.
I don't like breast. I don't like the breast.
You see, if you watch inside, you see like a little fat.
A little bit of fat, yeah. Just a little bit.
Right, man.
I don't like too much fat, you know.
No, everything gonna burn out, man.
Alright, good. Hey, man, what are we drinking today?
I don't know what you have here, man.
Huh?
You have this, you have this.
I have like nothing left, man.
Let me try some of these, man.
Tito's.
So today I'm gonna do a nice blend.
A blend?
Yeah, man. I'm gonna send this recipe to the company in Austin.
Uh-huh.
Not too far from there, just like about 3 hours drive.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna tell them to do a strawberry Tito's, you know?
Strawberry Tito's. That's probably, they don't have that already?
No, man. Just take one of this.
Yeah.
This little bad boy.
Yeah.
Just give it a little burst here. Like a little twist.
Yeah. What? Oh,
Dump it
no.
inside there.
No way, man.
And then a little bit of organic coconut water.
Oh, that's a different type of mix, man.
Wow.
So you might just get like a hint of strawberry.
And then it's just
Nice.
strawberry Tito's. Wow, beautiful flavor.
All right, how's the cold doing, man, to make these burgers? You coming along okay?
Yeah, I feel like it's early as night, man. You want to see a little early as night fireworks?
Yeah.
Check it out.
Ooh. Wow. What are those, fireflies?
You have to get a nice heat to do these burgers.
Okay.
Maybe you add maybe like 2 more.
3 more.
All right, 4 more of these.
But all of these have to turn gray, right?
5 more here. That should be it.
All right.
Well, have enough codes there to do 25 burgers.
Well,
Bam. Yeah.
oh. Here's all the ingredients for the burgers tonight, guys. Like I said, I got my gluten-free wide slice bread here. Some regular buns for everyone else. Got some dairy-free cheeses here. Got a pepper sauce, of course. Gotta have your pepper sauce right there. Veganese, ketchup, organic spicy brown mustard, pineapples, tomatoes, onions, lettuce. Everything's all here, folks. Now we're just waiting for the main thing. Let's go check it out. Hey, brother man. I see the smoke going, so does that mean it's ready or what? Let's see. Oh, shoot. What? Hey, it's hot already. What's it looking like under? Oh, okay. So we got a good amount of heat, man. Oh, yeah. That thing's hot, man. So why are we doing it here versus like inside?
We're gonna get a nice.
Because we feel like it, right?
You know, again, a riverside burger.
Yeah.
A riverside burger.
Yeah. Just
A burger duck.
yeah, burger duck.
A burger duck? No. Sorry, a river burger.
Yeah, guys, let me tell you something. We could have easily done this inside or done it on the grill right there. But you know what? Just for you guys, we started the cold pot tonight on this cold night. Just to give y'all something a little different. Cold pot burgers. Have you seen that before? Nope, don't think so.
Kishan,
Yeah, man.
check my drink, man.
What's your drink doing on the swing, man?
My drink is having a ride. He's having a nice. Like Kishan,
Yeah.
I'm gonna make all these burgers.
Mm-hmm.
And this hands, the same way it is right now,
Yeah.
is the same way when all the burgers are finished.
So what does that mean? Clean?
I'm not touching the burgers.
Wait, what?
I'm not touching the burgers.
But wait. When you make the burger, you have to put it in your hand and make it into a patty. You have to make it into a patty.
Yeah, make it into a pie, right?
Yeah.
I'm doing these burgers nice and wrong.
Uh-huh.
Without touching one.
Okay,
The guys learned something tonight.
I don't believe it, but we'll see.
All right.
We'll see, man. Actions speak louder than words, man. So I don't know what you're talking
I
about.
have this thing. Then season up here with the pimentos,
Yeah, tell
garlic.
what's all the seasonings in here?
You know, we put a little pimento, ginger, garlic powder.
Chinese seasoning,
Not really Chinese, you know. There's adobo,
adobo.
salt, black pepper.
Yeah,
All right.
your basic things, really.
Check it out.
Nice, man.
So with this small wood spoon,
Yep.
you're gonna get a wrong burger.
I don't believe you. Let's see, man.
You want a quarter pound, half pound, or 1 pound burger?
You know, I might go with 2 quarter pounders tonight.
All right, so watch it. This is enough for one burger.
Should I bring the scale out here or what?
No, man. Just do this.
Oh,
Check it out.
okay. Hey, man. What's going on here? What kind of technique is this?
All right.
What am I seeing? Woo! What a smoke, man.
Check that, brother.
So, oh, okay. So you just use your spoon, man. Oh, yeah, that's a nice thickness right there. Wow.
When it simmer down, I'm gonna draw down a little more.
Nice, man. Yeah, why get your hands dirty, you know, with chicken meat all over it and seasonings? Just use your spoon, man. I never thought about it like that. I'm gonna have to try that technique next time.
Check it out. Throw it out.
Check it out without a doubt. Man, that's a good one.
Next one.
Yeah, let's get a few on here going, man. Maybe like 3, 4. I don't know.
This hands is to take this up.
Oh, so if you didn't have a drink, maybe you would have got your hands dirty.
Back in Trinidad, when I make my burgers, my hand dirty. I have to let my wife feed me my liquor. No, man.
Nah,
I
not
make my
tonight.
burger and feed myself.
Yeah. Smart man. Smart man. Years of experience. Look at that. Clean.
Yeah. Hear that swizzle, man.
Yeah, I'm hearing this. Y'all hear that sizzle? Because I hear it.
One of Nisha uncle from Trinidad say he lived in Trinidad for over 70 years. When he come to the States, Sunil burger was the best he ever eat.
Oh, wow. We're in for a treat tonight.
Man. Rest in peace, Uncle Ramdeen. That's Nisha's cousin, dad. Anytime you're in Trinidad on vacation, you always talk about my burger, man.
Moment of silence for
That's Dilip dad.
moment of silence for Dilip Dad.
Very nice guy, man.
I know. I can imagine.
Tell everybody about my burger, man.
Yeah, man.
You're now listening to an official Oh So City mix. Oh So City.
So it looks like we're fitting 4 on here right now. You think we can get 5 on here?
Hey, man, you just shift this a little bit, man. What?
Oh, hey, it's actually staying together, man.
No, once it's in the pit for about a minute and something,
Yeah.
2 minutes,
Yeah.
the meat stick in the bottom.
Solidifies
So you could,
a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Cooks a little bit.
Nice wood, man.
Solidify. You like that word?
Yeah, man.
Solidify.
All the fat juices,
Yeah.
bind it together.
Woo! It's cold out here, guys.
Yeah, man.
We gotta get these burgers going. Kind of cold out here, man. What can we do to warm ourselves up? Because this smoke is not doing it, man.
Go inside and take a shot, man.
Yeah, I mean, that's one way.
So you wanna get a little more space. You just say hello. Could you shift a little bit? And you shift a little.
Oh, careful, man. It could fall off the edge right
Hello,
there.
man. Can you shift a little bit? And you shift it around. Yeah, man. So you get more space, man.
There we go. The more we do, the better.
So today we're gonna do like about a dozen burgers.
That was nice. Well, I know I'm having 2 for sure, man.
You know what? We wouldn't do a dozen. We'll just do like 12.
I think that is a dozen.
Oh shit. Sorry.
Nice.
One of my friend, as we talking about dozens,
Mm-hmm.
one of my friend, he named his wife Dozen.
Dozen?
Yeah.
Why is that?
He come from work, no food. She doesn't cook. Going to the bed, she smell it. She doesn't bathe.
Oh my God.
Boy, so he named she doesn't.
That's a good one.
You buy a brand new car for she doesn't drive.
Oh no. Look at that. Let's get some close-ups for you guys. I know y'all like the close-ups. Y'all been asking for some more of these close-ups, and I got you right here. Woo-wee. Mr. Sunil here just taking a little drink while these burgers just cook up here.
Check it out, man. Fish.
Let me go check it out real quick. Just letting them cook up nice, taking its time. No rush, but kind of a rush because it's cold outside, but And you see how he propped up these the pan with some coals right here? That way the air can flow instead of resting it flat on there.
Get a nice oxygen flow, man.
Yeah, that's smart, man. I thought you were gonna just place it right over here. But yeah, you got oxygen going all around this thing. Down here, all down here. Oh, look at that. Dang. It's going, man. It's going. Woo! All right, man, let's check it out. It's been cooking for like 5 minutes or so. Maybe a little longer. Let's check it out, man. Are they ready to flip or what?
Check these bad boys.
Oh,
Look at the color, man.
yeah. Look at that. Hey, man. Hey, be careful when you flip it. It might fall off the pot, man. Woo! Yeah. Flipping the first round of burgers. Oh, wow, yes. Look at that one. Yeah, that one's in the middle.
Like a crispy, man.
That one's in the middle one. Oh, man, that one looks good. That one looks good.
So what you do, you know, the center is getting a little more heat.
Uh-huh.
Just push this bad boy here.
Yeah.
And slide into the bad here.
Yep.
You know, you balance the heat on the burger. You know?
All right, check it out now. The middle is a hot spot. It seems like nice. All right, let's just cook up a couple more minutes. Looking pretty good. What's going on over here, man?
Well, these kids buy Chick-fil-A, man.
Chick-fil-A? What? Got some Chick-fil-A.
I tell them I do burgers. They say, Dad, they want a Chick-fil-A. I say, no problem, man.
Well, you gotta make your kids happy, right?
Waffle fries, you know, the chicken nuggets.
Yeah, they do have some good food, man. Go ahead. Not bad. Waffle fries from Chick-fil-A.
Wow.
It smells like chicken out here, man. How's it looking?
You know, nice. Nice.
Yeah. Smash burger.
Juices, man. The juices.
Having some chicken smash burgers, guys.
Alright. These bad boys almost finished.
Okay. Oh no, are we putting the cheese on here or no?
Yeah, man. You put the cheese like melt a little bit.
Okay. Put a little bit of mozzarella cheese on mine, please, and thank you. I personally like mozzarella on my burgers. Yeah. Oh my God. Imagine when it smells so nice. Beautiful, man.
Yeah, man. Oh, better. My wife really like cheese in hers, so I'll do this, you know. Damn. I'll check that color. This one is amazing.
You know, I changed my mind. I want this one. Oh my God.
Yes, man.
Move the cheese over.
Wow. Smell that, man.
Yeah, that smells amazing out here, by the way, guys.
I was thinking about opening a roti shop in Texas, but I think I'm gonna do a grill shop.
Yeah, I'm down with that. I'm down with this. This is North Suits, Texas, man. Real burgers.
Real chicken burger.
Oh yeah.
Hear the sizzle. Woo! Hear the sizzle.
Woo!
Woo! All right, better. First batch is ready to
First batch, man.
ship out.
Nice.
Oh, put these bad boys in. Oh,
Wow, beautiful, man. Beautiful.
bad boys. Oh, check it out, man.
Nice.
Take that inside, honey.
Let's take it inside. Everybody else is resting tonight, guys. So just us guys are cooking up for our ladies tonight.
Something like the Valkyrie.
Uh-huh.
You know, you always clean your,
You gotta clean your pot, man.
and then you clean your little surface. You know.
Yep. Guys, check out these coals underneath it. Look at this. Oh, hot and nice. All right, we got this on here.
Well,
Let's go with the last batch, man. Nice little hockey puck size.
and now we just
Gotta flatten it out a little bit so it can cook a little better, right? There you go.
put your hands.
Clean. You weren't lying.
Put out. We have some small moles inside, so we're gonna make some little baby burgers.
All different sizes. You can make any size you want, guys. Be creative.
Yeah, wait a
Ken?
Okay, with chips. All right, then.
That'll be a 30-minute wait.
Half an hour. All right.
What's going on, man? What's going on?
And this last cream here. Oh.
Looking nice.
That's just sizzle, brother.
Wiggle, man. Look at that color. Wow. We just love cooking our own food, man.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get a dozen, man.
Yeah. We really made a dozen burgers tonight. Oh, man. You're not holding back with this cheese, man.
Vegan cheese, brother.
We're going crazy with the cheese tonight. Wow. But yep, it is vegan, so, have at it, man. Let's bring it inside, man. Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, what are those, fajitas? Hey, we made some fajitas tonight, man. Oh, smoke sizzling. Wow, man. Look at that.
All right, brother.
Look at that sizzle, man. Woo!
Easy.
Still sizzling. And it's not even on the thing, man. Oh, wow.
Oh, God. Check that juice, man.
That is beautiful. Beautiful. Work of art, man. Good job. Okay.
Sometimes we put a little onions to just saute a little bit, man. Let the meat taking that nice flavor.
I do love onions on my burger.
All right, man. Let's put this just to saute a little bit here.
All right, transferring these over to the plate now. All good to go.
Can't believe we do these burgers in the...
Yeah, man, it only took us like, what, 30 minutes to make these?
Less than that, man.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, man.
Please.
Let's put a little butter in there.
Gotta toast your bread a little bit, man.
Yeah, man.
Since the pot's still hot, we might as well use it a little bit.
All right, so good. Just give your burger bread a little swizzle here, man.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna toast my bread, guys, and then butter it, because gluten-free bread you gotta keep in the fridge, in the freezer, so it's still kind of hard, so, I'll toast it up a little bit.
Yeah, man, a nice little toast here.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Nice, man. Hey, man, what you doing over here?
Got a nice sauce, brother.
Oh.
Some,
Put some
yeah, man, some spicy
this.
brown mustard, man.
spicy mustard,
Some veganese,
some sugrims, some ketchup.
or ketchup.
Nice. So what do you call this sauce right here?
This sauce is like a
All-in-one type of...
kalaloo mix.
All right.
Kalaloo mix for your burger.
Nice, man.
Check that.
Ooh, that's gonna be spicy, man. All right, man. Time to make our burgers, man. It's all done. Okay. Going with 2 good pieces of chicken there.
Yeah, man. Some of these
Some onions, of course.
Yeah.
Don't forget the onions.
All right.
What's next, man?
I like to put my lettuce here.
A nice crisp piece of lettuce. Nice.
All right. My tomato.
Oh, yes. Looking like a nice Krabby Patty right now,
Juicy
man.
tomato, man.
Oh, yeah.
I don't really. My kids like pine, but you get a nice thin slice here.
Yeah. It's a preference if you like it or not. A little sweet in your burger. Pineapple burger. Hawaiian type style.
No, I'm just gonna do it one.
Yeah, try it out first.
Now I have my special sauce here.
Oh, man. Oh. Yeah, man. Why put one sauce on this bread, one sauce on that bread? Just make one sauce, right?
Yeah, man. We're talking dog, brother.
All in one.
Alright.
Save time.
Gosh, do this again. Damn.
Oh, these look beautiful,
Oh
man.
man, let's slip this in here.
Wow. Got a panini press them with your hand. There you go. Give it a shot, man. Take, you want to try it one time?
Yeah, man. One time, brother.
Touch your hair, man. We got to eat, man. How was it, man? How was it?
Delicious, brother. Delicious.
Delicious? Oh, yes.
I'm really looking at this bite.
Let me see. Wow, man. That looks amazing.
You want cheese and nuts?
Alright, guys. Time to make my burgers right here. I got my gluten-free bread. I'll put those right there. I'll show you how I make mine. I like to put some sauce on the bottom, you know, so it sticks to the lettuce and everything just stays one. And I'm making, you know me, I like one piece of bread with my sandwich. So I got my good sauce right there. Take a nice piece of burger right here. This one looking good. One there. Which one? You know, I'll take this one too. There we go. Oh, you know what? No, I forgot the lettuce. Forgot the lettuce on this one. I'm gonna put the lettuce right here, guys. Place that right there. Put a nice piece of lettuce under here. Beautiful. Look at that. Going with a tomato on each one right here. Let's see what else we got, man. You know, I'll try a pineapple. Why not? I'll try the one just like you did. Oh, I forgot my onions, man. Sprinkle some onions on top. I love my onions, man.
Yeah, man. It has some nice toasted onions there, man.
Oh, I didn't see those.
Yeah, use a nice toasted one, brother.
There we go. Beautiful. All right, man. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna take a bite real quick. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Let's try it out, man.
Texas had to be this big, so we could fit so much spirit inside it. We had to have this much sky, so much room for so many of us under it. Texas needed this many miles of highway,
Wow, man.
so we can follow
I love it.
our road as far as it takes us.
It's great.
To still be home. Our symbol had to be a single star, so we're always.
Wow, that tastes good, man.
29 million Texans.
We gotta do this again another night.
Take the next bite, brother.
Another bite? I don't see why not, man. Man, this is amazing. Every time y'all want a chicken burger, come on by. Whip them up, man. Going in on your burger.
Yeah, man. It's delicious, brother.
I see you're enjoying it, man.
Honey, I have your burger ready, okay?